Hello, welcome to my photo studio and to ProPhotoLife.com. So today we're going to learn the basics of lighting glassware. As you can see, we've got our glass here, we have some glass cleaner, paper towels. Do a good job cleaning whatever you're about to photograph because it's going to save you a whole lot of trouble in the end. We clean with this. I'll use a small brush to wipe it down right before the moment of exposure. We also have some small cards here, black cards and white cards. You'll see what they're going to be used for. And we have just one light on a stand, and that's going to provide all the illumination for the glassware. As you can see with the glass as it is on a white tabletop with a gray background, there's not a lot of contrast. You don't really get a good idea of the definition of the edges or the stemware. We're going to turn off the overheads now. We're going to use this one light in a couple of different ways to show you how to bring out detail in something transparent and reflective like stemware. Okay, we'll turn on our light, and now I'm going to move it around. See what it's doing to the glassware? It's creating some edges and some definition, some light and some dark. If we park it in just the right spot, we're going to get nice black defined edges on the glassware, in the stem, and the handle. Now that's all being done with this one light shining onto the background and the light transmitting through the glass. Let's look at another way we can use the light. This time we're going to use what we refer to as a screen. It's just a piece of acetate that we shine light through. Same principle as a softbox, it just softens the light. It also creates a nice broad highlight on something like glass or reflective materials. So I've put it in position. You'll notice it's a little bit behind the glass. And now we'll shine some light into this. So you can see we've done just the opposite of the first photograph. We've let the background go dark, we've taken the light off of it, we've put the light on the glass, but we haven't just shown a light on it, we're reflecting a nice broad screen area onto it. That's what's creating that nice long tall highlight. We'll create an even better highlight on this side by bringing in this white card. So there you can see we've done just the opposite of the first image. Okay, now that you've seen the two extremes where we've really controlled the lighting, we're back to just our kind of soft overall room lighting illumination. What can you do in this case? Using a couple of the white cards, there's one on this side. See that nice highlight that it's bringing out? We've got a great reflection there. See the highlight in that side. We're good to go. We've done a lot with just two cards. You can also do just the opposite. Since we've got a neutral background, we can create a black edge and another black edge. So that's something to think about. When you're shooting glassware, when you're shooting transparent things, you can create white reflections, you can create dark reflections, you can bring out the transparency by putting light behind. Just really watch what you're doing and learn from watching light. Experiment, take photographs, and enjoy yourself.